Hey viewers, Assalamu alaikum. We welcome you back to Curious Candies. Are you curious to know what our video is about today? It's about your banana leaf banquet party for a gathering here. Before getting to know about it, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe Curious Candies. Today I would like to show you this beautiful artwork of my mother-in-law. It's a hand-weaved basket. I am using it as a fruit basket. To say about the banana leaf banquet, it's not a one-woman show. I, along with my friends, have planned to make few dishes and gather in a place for lunch. First, I started with Paripu Pradaman, also known as Paripu Payasam or Dal Kheer. It is made with moong dal, jaggery syrup and coconut milk as the main ingredient. I have made 5 dishes, out of which only I have full videos for 2 dishes, as I was not able to shoot the full process. Avial is a dish made of mixed vegetables, usually rich in water content. I cook the veggies adding salt, turmeric powder and coconut oil. The vegetables for avial were usually given a Fritz cut. Fritz cut is nothing but like that of a cut for French fries. I added little water to ensure that the vegetables doesn't get burnt. Cover the veggies and cook for about 15 minutes. Once the veggies are half cooked, add ground coconut paste. Coconut paste is made by grinding a handful of coconut along with 3 green chilies and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds in a mixer. Cover and cook for another 15 minutes by giving a gentle stir often. Finally, add fresh curry leaves and a tablespoon of coconut oil and keep it closed before serving. Roasting of dal for Paripu Payasam was done. Jaggery syrup making for kheer is also on process. Now I am into the making of inji pudi using ginger, tamarind and jaggery as the main ingredient. I squeezed the juice out of the ginger with hands and kept the juice aside to allow the residues to settle down. Then I fried this 250 gram of julienne cut gingers in 75 ml of coconut oil. Fry it until it turns golden brown, emitting the pleasant aroma of ginger. Now add 3 dry red chilies and few curry leaves. Fry it until it turns crisp. Stir often so that the ginger doesn't get burnt. Now take it from the oil and give a good grind in the mixer. Do not ground it into a powder. In the same oil, add mustard and allow it to splutter. Add shallots and fry until the raw smell fades off. Now add dried red chilies, curry leaves, 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek powder and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then add the fried ginger mix and tamarind pulp. The tamarind pulp is made by squeezing a lemon-sized ball of tamarind soaked in half a cup of water. Do not add the tamarind residues. When the water starts drying up, add salt and 3 to 4 tablespoons of jaggery according to your taste. When the jaggery completely melts in and forms a fluid consistency, add the ginger juice, leaving the residues behind. Give a good blend with spatula while cooking. Again, when it attains the fluid consistency, inji puli is all set to decorate your banana leaf banquet. And then into the making of potato porriyal or potato roast. This recipe is for 3 medium-sized potatoes. Dice cut the potatoes. Add 3 tablespoons of groundnut oil for 3 potatoes. Then add mustard and fennel seed and allow it to splutter. Now add curry leaves and then potatoes and cook for 5 minutes, pressing often so that the outer layer gets crispy. After 5 minutes, add required salt and give a mix. Now add a pinch of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of fish curry masala and a pinch of asafoetida powder. I use Aarti fish curry masala brand. Give a good mix and cook for about 8 to 10 minutes in low flame without lid. Now this crispy potato roast is ready to munch on. But wait until it gets its way to the banana leaf. So all my 5 dishes are ready to groom the banana leaf banquet. Mixed vegetable avial, beetroot pachadi made of beetroot, curd and coconut paste, Paruppu payasam or dal kheer, crispy potato porriyal, and last but not the least, the inji puli. I purchased this beautiful beaded necklace from Femi Outlet in Kobermal. So we, along with 4 families, gathered in our friend's house for lunch. Kids were excited and groomed in their beautiful dresses and started enjoying together. Our lunch is ready to be served. The default custom of all Gulf countries, that is spreading sufra to dine over, is happening now. Let's get into a sneak peek of what my friends brought for lunch. To start with paruppu, rasam, pulikolambu, sambar, beetroot poriyal, cabbage poriyal, along with the dishes which I have bought. There were also 3 types of kheer: sago kheer, vermicelli kheer and dal kheer. I missed to take a picture of that. This is not a typical Onam Sadhya, but a mix of both Kerala and Tamil Nadu vegetarian food culture. Such gathering once a while makes a great memory. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to know about the detailed procedure and tips and tricks of these dishes, comment us in the comment section. If you like this video, please like and share. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Also, press the bell icon to get notified. See you all in another interesting video. Until then, it's bye from Curious Mommy and Curious Candies.